Hey, welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Krista on the Catamaran. What do you think about that?
Yeah, that was awesome.
We're having a hard time getting our groove on. Take two.
Previously on Trio. Hey gang, welcome back. Last time in Trio, it was a trip to the dentist. Krista shared her experience and some of what we paid to have dental work done here in Mexico. Later in the video, a storm rolled over tiny Isla Mujeres, causing chaos and boats to drag out in the anchorage. And at the end of the video, we set sail for Guatemala.
Oh, we just left Isla. We just got the mainsail up. But look at that gorgeous sunset. Hopefully the camera can pick out. It was massive 30 seconds ago.
This time on Trio, it's a brief pause in the sailing while we share episode 1 of a new segment here on Trio Travels called Cooking on a Cat with Krista. Krista is sharing some of her favorite dishes and personal recipes that she likes to make in the galley of our Catamaran Saltair3. So stick around for another fun, real life, and unscripted sailing video with Trio.
Hey y'all, beautiful day in Isla Mujeres. Just getting some boat jobs done. Cole's doing math. He was playing on his new little monkey bar there thing today. But it's just gorgeous out here.
Isla Mujeres is a tiny but beautiful island located just 8 miles east of Cancun. The anchorage is large and we love it here. But take note, holding becomes questionable in winds above 20 knots.
But Krista's cooking and I wanted to show you what she's making for us today. Hi.
Hi.
So, what's happening?
I just make this from lunch. I'm gonna make some tostadas inspired by our Mexican local cuisine. That's my favorite stuff. It's so simple but fresh ingredients. So I'm making some pico de gallo first with tomato, and I like to put a little bit of cabbage in it because it just adds a little bit extra. And then I'm gonna put some red onion in, and cilantro and lime juice, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna use these tostadas. They're like the hard taco shells that we get back home, except they're not curved, they're flat. Basically like a flat taco, crispy taco. And then I'm gonna make some guacamole and pile it all up and have a feast.
All right, get to it. Sounds yummy.
Yeah, not too heavy. But I buy the rotisserie chicken, so I kind of cheated today and didn't make my own chicken. But sometimes I make my own chicken too. Just
Chopped
depends
up.
what's going on.
Chopped up the white meat already, okay.
Yeah. Slicing the red onion for the guacamole and the pico. I like to do it really skinny because I'm not a big fan of big chunks of onion, but you can do what you like.
So now you're just adding lime juice to your pico de gallo?
Yep. I'm gonna add it to my guacamole too, but this thing's an awesome tool. It's super rugged. Gets all the juice out of the limes. So you should get one of these for your galley.
There you go, galley tip.
All right, now let's mix this up.
Where are you mixing it? Just in there?
Yeah, I'll put it in a nicer bowl afterwards, but. All those pretty colors. And a little bit of salt.
All right, we'll check back with you in a couple secs.
Yep. Gotta love how cheap avocados are in Mexico.
How much are avocados in Mexico?
They're like 40 cents each. So we always have a bunch, which is so yummy. So for the guacamole, I've got red onion in there already. Pinch of salt. I'm gonna put some lime in there.
Mas limon.
Mas limon. Not the whole thing though, otherwise it gets too runny. But the lime helps the avocado from going brown, and it adds nice flavor.
And then
too.
some spice, eh?
Yeah, a little Tabasco. Depending how chunky you like it. Some people like it really mashed up. I like it a little bit chunky. Some people put tomato in. Sometimes I do. I didn't have as much today, so I put a little bit of tomato in. You don't usually put fried eggs on tostadas?
When you have a
Breaking all the rules.
when you have a growing teenager, you do.
Yeah, exactly. Extra food.
Somebody needs their protein.
Yep. Oops. This is just a little bit of crema, which is like sour cream. It comes in these handy little things here in Mexico, though, and it lasts for a long time, so you don't have to worry about spoiling sour cream.
Yeah, it's like the milk. You can put it in dry storage.
Yeah, exactly.
It's nice because we like sour cream.
Put my eggs back here. These are looking good.
All right, so you got the chicken on them all, hey?
Yep.
No.
Now guacamole. It's toasty, that's for sure. Come to the window. And the final topping is homemade pico de gallo.
Pico de gallo.
Me
Such
too.
a cilantro.
So good. So fresh. Cole would eat this whole bowl just like this.
So that's it. Now we're ready to eat.
Now we're ready to eat.
I want to know what you're gonna do with the eggs. How you're gonna put that on?
Right?
on
Well,
those.
do you want yours on top or do you want it in the middle and then you're like, I don't know, how are you going to navigate that? That's why they probably don't do it. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't know.
What do you guys think? Should it go right here? That's where it's going to go. It looks nice there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does look pretty there.
And then maybe on this one it'll go on top of one. One lucky tostada gets the egg treatment. This might be a knife and fork kind of meal. It's usually finger food, but we'll see.
All right.
Let's enjoy.
Oh, we got some salsas that we picked up in Belize, right?
Yeah. Oh, we have to open a new one. We used it all. Who's gonna bite first?
Wait,
Goes in.
exciting.
All right, let's eat.
Yum. That sounded good.
All right.
It's like that movie Chef when he bites into the goat cheese sandwich is like.
I guess I should wipe my board off every time, right? Do it in the Food Network. Something they don't show you.
You're right. They always have a clean board.
But they're not in a bikini on the Food Network either.
No.
It's kind of hot here, right?
We're far from the Food Network.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Far, literally and figuratively.
Yeah.
So now you're just adding lime juice to